Hi everyone, my name is Max. Now in this short video, I want to show you how to test the flow, but in particular, how to see how the data flows from card to card, which I personally find one of the really coolest capabilities in workflows. Now, so this flow you're looking at sends an SMS message, and we can see, so this is the input, and we can see how the mappings are done here. So this creates the message also as the numbers. This creates the link, the endpoint for Twilio. So we're using Twilio, and then this one makes a call to Twilio. And one little thing I want to show you is that you can always go to flowchart, and then you can see kind of the flow at a high level overview. One little trick is that you can, it says compose, but you can actually rename the card, and then you'll see the new name here. So if I go back, if for example, quickly, if I go here, and then I can make this call Twilio, so just a little bit more descriptive. And if I go to, it says call Twilio. Anyhow, so just a little trick or a tip that you could, again, you can use. But let's go back here. Now, so again, what I want to show is how you can see how the data flows from card to card. Again, I think that's pretty powerful. So I'm going to switch to flow history. And so first, right away, oh, sorry, I click back one extra time. Now, so on this side, actually, you can see the executions or previous executions. So the very first time it actually failed, but then the next one was successful, and then successful again. And this one was ran yesterday. It was successful again. And what's really cool is that you can see how data flows from card to card, which is, I think, really cool, but also just powerful. Just really shows you how, again, data goes from step to step. And but why don't we just run this actually, and let's save, and let's go back, and we can see in real time how data is being passed from card to card. So I have some sample data here, and I use this option, save input, so I don't have to enter it every time. So let's change the message to maybe dinner, and then click run test, and then you'll see in a sec how every card, one after another, the data gets populated. And again, if we move the mouse, we can see the mappings, which is, again, I think, again, pretty awesome. Anyhow, so this is the successful run just a few seconds ago. And we can also go to Google Voice, and we can see this is the message that was just received. All right. One last thing I'm going to say is that in order to enable this, so when you create a new flow, you need to check this checkbox. Now, if you create a new flow without checking this checkbox, you can always, what I just did, click on this little pencil next to the flow name, and then you can enable it. But you do need this option on for to be able to see how the data again flows from card to card, and also keep this flow history here, so you can again go back and review any previous runs. Anyhow, that's it. Hopefully this was helpful, and I'll see you next time.